Einstein said the intuitive mind is a sacred gift, but society has forgotten. And I don't want to forget all the important things I have to say, so although I usually speak off the dome, for this one I'm going to read a script because I know we're all into this together and we're all feeling that there's something truthful coming through. Now, you know that on paper you have achieved so much, but deep down inside there's this restlessness and this knowing that there's more. And this is where my work begins. It's with that remembering. So the Purpose Embodiment method blends quantum physics as a way to understand the body and the nervous system within, neuroplasticity as a means to rewire self-limiting beliefs that we might not be aware of from culture and family because we might not see them as self-limiting because they're so ingrained in our system. And then finally, the remembrance of spirit. Through ceremony, through prayer, and through meditation with Creator, God, Source, whatever your faith is, all is welcome in the unified field. Because that's what we know is the unified field, that everything is connected through an invisible energy. And it's not enough to know the science. If you want to be an authority in this world, you must embody it. And that's the alignment that you want, that you can feel in your body. This is a felt sensation. You want the credibility and the recognition as someone who is leading the new wave of the new human, the evolved human. And maybe you're tired of people dismissing your worldview as woo. Or maybe you're just starting to remember and you're a little bit embarrassed or scared because you don't want other people to think you're woo. Or maybe you're frustrated. I know. You're frustrated of the truth being undervalued in exchange for quick, low-level surface fixes. Now, I know because I've been there across the board, and I took a leap of faith and left my career as an aerospace engineer and have spent the last 15 years swimming in the woo-woo waters. And by doing this, I have been gifted what I know, what I feel, and what I sense is a fast track for humanity. And that's why I'm launching a large-scale study based on my work. I have had enough people have gone through my work with mind-blowing transformation that I know it can be measured. And I am inviting a small group of people to join me to go through the Purpose Embodiment method with me as a means to embody the work for themselves, to feel it, to know it, to sense it in your body. Within that experience to help me shape the framework for a large-scale data collection. And then finally, end of the experience or the middle of the experience, depending on when you come in, meet in St. Croix, the Virgin Islands, where I live, a little piece of paradise, for a creative, restorative upgrade in nature. And then finally, in 2026, 2027, the large-scale study results will be published, and you, as part of the mastermind, will be a co-author. Now, when you imagine this, when you imagine being a published author on the forefront of integrated wellness, how does it make you feel? Can you feel that heart pounding? Can you feel the heat rising from in your body? Maybe you have chills. This is your yes. This is your intuition and your nervous system in real time giving you a yes. You are a chosen one, and you might not think you're ready, but I'm here to tell you, you are ready. This is the opportunity for you. If you're feeling that yes, I'm trying to have a soft close for the application to be a co-author by September 30th. So book a retreat clarity call. This is no pressure. I'm attracting the perfect team. And you know if you're on it. And you might not know in this moment, but after this purpose clarity call, this retreat clarity call, you will know. And so there's nothing more special than connecting in person and feeling if the vibes are there. So if everything I've said resonates and you want to be on the leading edge, let's chat. Many blessings.